Hi there everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. I am back from my holidays, which is a little bit sad, to be honest. I wish I had a much longer holiday. I'm back at work tomorrow. It's Sunday, and yeah, you got the holiday blues, but I was able to get some goodies. And I have now collected all the goodies I bought pre going away and then after my holiday, and I'm gonna share it with you. And this is a haul from Hobbycraft, which is like a Hobby Lobby here in the UK. And they usually have quite expensive prices, but they have seemed to have a lot of sale going on recently, which obviously I have taken advantage of. And yeah, I'm gonna share with you what I got. So let's pull out all the stuff from this giant bag. Oops. And let me share with you what I actually got. So, starting off, we have got some super lovely puffy stickers, and £1 these were. I mean, that's amazing. They are so cute, these stickers. Absolutely adorable. And I just love them. And that's how they look, like puffy little stickers. Then I got myself some shaker tags, and I thought these were super cool just because I've made about one shaker card in my whole entire life, and it was a hassle. I mean, I got pearls and I got glitter all over the floor, and yeah, it wasn't that easy, to be honest. So when I saw these gift tags, I was like, you know what? Yeah, definitely. They've got tons of little pearls and lovely snowflakes in them, and that's a super cute little swan. And then we got some more like Christmassy, wintry tags. So that's perfect. Then I got a stamp from Shimel, which is like a phrase stamp. Got different phrases like today, thankful for, I dream of, I believe. I think it's like a planner stamp or like a journaling stamp. I also got myself a SIG calligraphy practice kit. I cannot write pretty. I mean, I'm awful at it. I just don't write pretty. I wish I did. But I'm gonna try to train myself and be able to write really, really nicely. And maybe with this kit, I will be able to write super pretty and with a nice, and get like a nice handwriting. Maybe in the future, who knows? And I also got some stickers. This is like a sticker set. So you receive like all of these little stars and hearts, and then some alphabet stickers, and then just some phrases. I got myself an ephemera set, which, yeah, it has like different little things like scissors and rainbows and just really nice stuff. Then, let me see if I can do like that. Here is a sticker set, puffy stickers from Dovecraft. Really lovely flowers and love and, you know, all that nice jazz. Some more stickers. This is from Crate Paper. Wait, is it Crate? Yeah, Crate Paper. Puffy stickers, super cute. I guess these are for planners really, and I've got my Filofax planner which I use, but I think I want to get myself a happy planner, just because if I'm gonna, you know, like if I'm gonna create nice little planner decorated pages, I can't really bring it to work and be like, hi, I work in law and I'm bringing it to see my clients. I don't think they would take me that serious, to be honest. But that's life. Then I also opened this just because there's a lot of sticker pages. So this is from Shimel, and I paid £2 for it. It's different stickers. It's got little phrases, hearts, and a little cat, and some cute little alphabet stickers and numbers. That's super sweet, look at that. Cute. And then some birds. Very nice, some washi tape. That's really nice washi tape actually. Just nice stickers in that little kit, and you got like a little folder as well for it, which is nice. I also got some, this is Maggie Holmes. I believe all of these collections are quite old. I definitely don't think they're new, but I don't care. I love them. They're American scrapbooking, and I love American scrapbooking companies. I know, I think it's like a funny thing. Like if you're living in the US, you're like, ooh, I wish I had like Stamperia or European scrapbooking paper. And don't take me wrong, I really like European and like especially Scandinavian paper, and I love English paper, but American craft like scrapbooking is really nice. I like it. Big thumbs up for that. But look at that, so cute. I can't wait. I've actually got, so my fiance's family is from the US, and well, they moved to the US and then they married, well, his uncle moved to the US and married an American woman, and now well, they live in America. So I'm gonna ask them when they come over for Christmas if I can send them money, and then they can buy loads of things from like Tuesday morning and yeah, you know, American shops, and then I pay for it and they bring it to the UK. We'll see about that. Maybe that's gonna cost them a fortune. I mean, I'm gonna pay for it, but it might just take a long time for them. I don't know. I don't yet know yet, but that would be really nice. And this is like an ephemera set with little quotes and tags and stuff, really nice. I got some little stickers, or yeah, nice stickers, super cute. Love this set, I think it's really nice. Friendship, oh, it's just lovely. I love stickers. American Crafts always makes really nice stickers and stickers, and it's just lovely. And then I got myself this breakfast set, or it says brunch here, so a brunch set, I guess. And it's got like super cute little breakfast stuff. See, this is something I don't understand. Pancakes and bacon. I have never tried it, and I don't feel like I would be converted, really. I think that is a really American thing that I don't understand. I just don't understand it. But maybe if I try it one day, I will love it. But it just feels very weird and alien to sit and eat pancakes with, you know, bacon. Oh no. It doesn't sound nice. I'm not sure if it is though. I haven't tried it. And then I got myself a Hobbycraft sticker set, like chipboard stickers. And then some Maggie Holmes frames, really nice frames. I never buy stuff like this, just because it's overpriced here in the UK, like frames and stuff. I mean, a set like this would cost in Hobbycraft, if it wasn't on sale, probably £5-6. I'm not joking. And that's about, I think it is like $7 or $8 for like a frame set like this. It just doesn't, it's not logical for me to buy it, because I can use that. It's like 4 frames. What will that make? Like 4 cards for £8. It's $8. That's too much in my opinion. I don't know. But then I got another sticker set. Super cute. It's like holographic, like really cool. And it says like hello and stuff like that. I love the cloud. Super cute. And then some paper clips, and nice for like a planner or something. I got myself Make-A-Wish like toppers, like wooden toppers. Super cute. And then last but definitely not least is the thing that I love the most, and that is these 12 by 12 chipboard sticker sheets. I love it. I've got an addiction about this. It is just so nice to have like a 12 by 12 sheet with different stickers. And I don't know many European brands that do 12 by 12 sheets like this with chipboard stickers. It is just the American brands, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I wish more companies did like chipboard stickers like this. But for now, I'm collecting my American ones from like Create Paper, American Craft, all of those American brands always do really wonderful chipboard stickers. So super, super cute. I love that bird. Look at that, so cute. And yeah, I just love it. So I was really super lucky actually to get all of this for great prices. Yeah, it made my day. So I will work tomorrow. I will be up early, not too early though. I have quite a good schedule. I don't work too long hours. I work 37 hours a week, which is a full time here in the UK. And I work from home once a week, which is lovely. And the rest of then one of the days I'm in one of the offices, which is the closest to central London. And then I work in my normal office the rest of the days. So it's not too bad, and I will have another holiday coming up in December. I hope you're going to have a lovely weekend, a week, not weekend, and speak to you later in the week. Hopefully by Wednesday there will be another video up. So speak to you later. Bye bye.